Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about application of integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to find the area bounded by y equal to f and s, y equals to number 2 and both axes. So now that is about the figure in here. So we know that the red line that is about y equals to f and s, and the blue line that is about y equals to number 2. So if we want to find this area, we need to transform y equal to f and s into s equals to e to the power of y. So I will put about e for the both side like this, and this one equals to s, and that's why we have this one. Now we can apply the formula in here. So we need to use about the upper function minus the lower function, and I will put about ds, dy. So about the bounds, we can say that they start at number 0 and they stop at number 2. So the bound should be about from 0 to number 2. The upper function that is about the red light. The lower function that is about number 0. S equals to number 0. This is about this line in here. Now we simplify and we have e to the power of y, and we put the bounds from 0 to number 2, and now we have like this. This is the end. Thank you for watching.